Events like the Manufacturing Supply Chain Expo are important for the industry because it allows us all to come together and share ideas. Events like this in the West is even more important for industry because this type of event doesn't often happen down this direction.
So look, walking around, you can see is like some great conversations happening. So it just shows how important it is to have events like this for people to mix, to talk, and ultimately to do business.
I would recommend this event to anyone that wants to connect with the manufacturing industry in the south, west and west of Ireland. It really offers the opportunity for conversations. We can create meetings and we can meet other suppliers that can support our business.
The key to Ireland's success in terms of manufacturing is collaboration. And when you come to an event like this, you see all of the Irish companies that are at great bleeding edge of technology. That type of innovation, that type of entrepreneur is unique, and here you saw it coming to reality, and it's something that I personally love to see and I love to take part in.
It's a small country and everybody seems to know everybody, so that's one of the reasons why it's nice to be able to come here today and see these kind of events starting up again. And I've met half a dozen people that I didn't know were going to be here. I'm from the other side of the country.
Having it local makes it so much easier for us to connect with our customers.